If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you. Today's video, we're going to be doing an Easter arrangement. I'm going to be using a cake display, a candle, and some daffodils. On to the video. The first thing you're going to do is pull off the flower, like that. I'll be doing that to all these. Here's the easy part. All you're going to be doing is draping it over the edge. Like so. I do an orange one, then a yellow one, then a yellow one on the side. You do it all the way around. And you get it the way you like it. And you can overlap them. Like so. And then you put the candle in the center. That's how the arrangement looks. I'll bring you around for a better view. This is what it looks like. Done. This is before I light the candle. I'll show you a picture of it after I light the candle. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Share. Press the notification button. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.